In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Base44. We'll walk through the whole process from opening your project in Base44 to grabbing the proper embed code from YouTube and finally pasting it into the right place in your app or project. By the end, you'll be able to display any YouTube video directly inside Base44 without users having to leave your page. First, open your Base44 project or app in your browser. Make sure you're logged in and that you've selected the correct workspace or project where you want the video to appear. Give it a moment to load, especially if your app has a lot of content. It also helps to decide in advance which page or section will hold the video so you don't have to move it later. Next, open YouTube in another tab and go to the video you want to embed. This can be any public or unlisted video, as long as the owner allows embedding. Under the video player, you'll see a row of options like share, and so on. Click on the share button. This opens a small window with different ways to share the video. In that share window, look for the option labeled Embed. Click on Embed. This will open a box showing a snippet of HTML code, starting with iframe. This is the actual embed code that allows your video to appear on other websites or apps. Now, click on the copy button inside that embed window. This copies the entire iframe code to your clipboard. You don't need to edit anything here. Base44 will use this code as is. Just make sure you've copied the full snippet. Once that's done, go back to your Base44 tab. Navigate to the specific page or screen where you want the video to appear. Enter the editor or preview mode where you can modify the layout. Identify the exact spot where the YouTube video should go. This might be inside a content block, a custom HTML section, or a component that accepts embed code. When you've found that spot, click into the field or block that accepts HTML or embed code. Then paste the code you copied from YouTube. After pasting, save or update your changes and refresh or preview the page. You should now see the YouTube video player embedded directly inside your Base44 project, ready for your users to watch.